Hello, welcome to Hind Networks. Today in this video, I'll be telling you how to install EVNG Windows client side. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official EVNG website. Navigate to the download section, scroll down and download the Windows client pack. Double click the downloaded file. Follow all the steps I am doing. That's it for the tutorial on installing the EVNG Windows client side. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Hind Networks for more networking labs and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.